HVAC, the heating, air conditioning, and ventilation. So this is a new program, new accredited program that they've added to the campus. I am an instructor here. I've got 30 years experience in teaching HVAC. This program is 5 weeks. Daily what we do, we have our morning class and lab. I give them the instruction that they need, and then we go and do practical applications on how what we just talked about works into the field. In this program, they learn how to handle refrigerant safely. They also get certified when they pass the test in the 608 EPA program. They also learn some general troubleshooting devices and general information on how your system works, how to check it, so it helps you with getting that entry-level HVAC job.
It teaches you a little bit of everything. It teaches you a little bit of welding when you're welding copper pipes. It teaches you electrical when you're troubleshooting circuits. It teaches you the refrigeration system when you're troubleshooting AC. Also teaches you a little bit of plumbing and things like that, running pipes. So I really like this program because it goes across a lot of different disciplines. You do a little bit of book knowledge, and then you get right out there and you see how it actually applies in the real world. Whether you're doing what I do to either start your own business or do it in the evening, or you're going to work for somebody, both of them pay well. I mean, 5 weeks, you can't beat that to change your whole life and your whole career.
We start off small and we build onto it. You can start off as just a guy who does service in the truck, and then you can build up to being a designer of multi-million-dollar properties, just like this campus. The goal is to get you so you can work on anything in the HVAC field that deals with refrigerant. Your best thing to do in this program is just come and check it out. It is a great career opportunity and great career option.